Hello viewers, today we will discuss a important topics of electrical engineering. What is the difference between MCB and MCCB? Generally we use MCB for the purpose of house wiring and we use the MCCB for the purpose of small industrial area or the protection of generator. So today we will discuss the main difference of MCB and MCCB. At first, please subscribe my channel and get more electrical related video. So the first difference of MCB and MCCB. The definition we can differ by MCB and MCCB. MCB, the types of switch which protect the system from the overcurrent, but the MCCB protect the equipment from the temperature and the fault current. Actually the MCB protect the overcurrent and the MCCB protect the fault current and the temperatures. So the abbreviations or the full form of MCB is miniature circuit breaker and the MCCB is molded case circuit breaker, and the tripping circuit is for the purpose of MCCB is fixed, but for the MCCB is the movable. We can move by the tripping circuit. So that is the basic three difference of MCB and MCCB. So let we discuss the another 3 or 4 difference between the MCB and the MCCB. We can use MCCB for the purpose of house wiring and the MCCB we use the generator protections and the others equipment protections. So the next difference is interrupting currents is 1800 ampere for the purpose of MCB and the interrupting current 10 to 200k, but the pole for the purpose of MCB is the single, 2 and the 3 versions or 3 poles. So the MCCB we get the single pole for the purpose of phase and the 2 pole for the purpose of phase and neutral and the 3 pole for the purpose of 3 phase protection. But for the purpose of MCB available single, 2 or 3 and the 4 versions. We can protect the single phase, 2 phase and the 3 phase and the 3 phase and neutrals. And the remote on and off for the purpose of MCB are not possible and the purpose of MCCB is possible. The current rating for the purpose of MCB is 100 ampere, but the current rating for the purpose of the MCCB it can be the 10 to 200 amps. So this difference we can say that for the ampere rating we can differ from the MCB and the MCCB. Also the interrupting current we can differ the MCB and the MCCB, but the pole difference mainly the MCB and MCCB nearly equal to the similar, but we can use the 4 version where we can protect the 3 phase and the neutral, but for the purpose of MCB we can use the 3 version where we can protect the only the 3 phase. So these 4 or these 7 difference we can differ the MCB and MCCB. And other few difference from the MCB and MCCB are we can the current rating 100 ampere and the for the purpose of MCCB it can be the 200 ampere. So the higher current rating we can protect the MCCB. We can use the generator protection for the purpose of MCB, but we can use the circuit protection for the purpose of MCB. So the applications we can use the light applications and the house wiring we can use the lightning circuit, and for the low loads we can use the MCB, but in heavy current load for the small industrial area we can use the MCB. So the application we can differ the MCB and MCCB, and the use we can use the for the purpose of domestic purpose we can use the MCB, and for purpose the industrial or commercial area we can use the MCCB. So when we use the MCB we can use the for the domestic purpose or house wiring or the small load current we can use the MCB. So where we can use the mainly the circuit protection we can use the MCB, and where the we can the fault current protection and the heavy and industrial loads we can use the MCCB. So these are the difference between the MCB and the MCCB. So that's why we can differ the MCB and the MCCB. So the next we can discuss the what is the difference between the MCB and the RCCB. So please subscribe my channel and get more electrical video and get the notification, press the bell icon. So thanks for watching my this video.